Hello everyone, hope you're right. In today's video, I'm going to plant this beautiful Acer tree in my front yard in this gravel bed. This is Acer Japanese jewels. This is a compact growing variety. This produces a densely branching upright bush with lovely lobed red leaves in spring, turning to green in summer. So you can see it has got absolutely beautiful red foliage, which is bright red when it's young, and as it matures it turns green and then this deep red color. The young growing tips are reddish brown and create an attractive contrast. It provides breathtaking autumn color. Its maximum height is 125 centimeter and maximum spread is 100 centimeter. Long shoots can be cut in March to promote compact growth. It can take sun or part shade, and this plant is fully hardy, but it will need some protection if planted in pot and likes sandy, humus-rich soil. And basically, I'm going to plant here in this gravel bed. This is the corner, and you can see I have got Anirium olendia on its right side and a pot on the left side, which is temporary. I can move it if I need to. So there is enough room for the growth of this compact growing Acer. So let's plant it here in this gravel bed. So I have planted the tree and it's looking really beautiful, and I had to dig a hole deeper than the size of the pot, and I backfilled it with the native soil, but I did add some fertilizer which will help the plant to establish. And after planting it, it's important to water thoroughly, and especially if it's dry climate, it's important to water the plants in its first year and give it some good fertilizer so it gets established in its place. So I really wanted to plant an Acer tree in my garden, and I think an Acer tree is a must in any garden. It provides beautiful foliage and year-round interest, and its red foliage really stands out with the green foliage of many plants, and I think it looks stunning. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my gardening videos. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.